Hiya, welcome to Kennett's Kitchen Quickies. Today we're going to be making a true Mandarin delicacy. It's called a king pot noodle with chicken, poultry and a toadstool flavour. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to be making it, cooking it, show you all the process of which you should make it with and just make it happen at home, you know what I mean? Okay, so let's get on. Step 1. Basically what you have to do is you have to remove the lid, and now this releases some epic flavours and moisture from the oxygen in the air, and it just goes right into the sauce and the powder in the pot noodle. I love this. Alright, step 2 is we'll fill up this trusty kettle with a broken lid. So basically, over in our area of England we use hard water, and that contains the calcium and sodium ions in the water, which really scales up the kettle and gives it a nice flaky texture of the water. So basically what we do now is we press the button which turns on the kettle, and we wait. And whilst we're doing that we can prepare the other pot noodle, the king size pot noodle. We get out, unbox it, rip that lid off, get the condiment package out, and there we go, step 2 is complete for now. The kettle is about to be done. What we do now is we pour it up to this line here, and that is the perfect line for the maximum moisture absorption in the pot noodle delicacy. So, now we have poured in the water, the boiling water from the hard, flaky water, and we've got to wait 2 minutes for it to absorb, maximum absorption. And what we need for this is a fork. So basically in this fork, what we do is we stir. I'll do it when I get to a time, but 2 minutes later we stir, leave it for another 2 minutes, and stir again. Alright, so 4 minutes has been completed. Now we need to do a final stir of the delicacy, which just involves you rotating your fork counterclockwise and counterclockwise only, otherwise you will get hepatitis from this, I'm afraid. So what we do is, for me in this case, do it on both sizes, king and the normal size. And then what you want to do is you want to get out a pair of scissors in here, and you want to cut this condiment package open. And then this is basically a traditional Japanese Mandarin. It's not. So basically, we're going to cut open this traditional Mandarin soy sauce, and we're going to delicately pour it in equally throughout the meal as some sort of well, sauce. Really, so you just let that pour in. Give it a good little wiggle on the packaging, as you can see here. Get all the juices out, get them all flowing into the noodles, and one final stir basically, and then you have your finished meal, the king size pot noodle.